Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Fortnite account. So if you'd earlier signed up for your account but now no longer use it and want to close it permanently, follow these steps in order to permanently delete your Fortnite account. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to epicgames.com. After you go to epicgames.com, make sure that you're logged into your account, and then when you land on an interface that looks pretty much like this, tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right hand side and then tap on your account name. Select account after that. After selecting account, you will now be directed towards the page where you'll be given all of your account information. That means you will land on the general settings page. So when you land on this page, all you have to do is scroll downwards till you go to the very end of that particular page, and you will see an option that says delete account. So here it says that if you request to delete your account will be deleted in 14 days. During this time, you can log in to reactivate your account, which will cancel your deletion, and after 14 days time period, your account deletion will be irreversible. So tap on request account delete, and make sure that if you want this particular thing to work out, you cannot enter your login details until 14 days. So here it says that a security code has been sent to my email in order to confirm the processes and to confirm that I am the one who's trying to delete my account. So it looks like I've already received an account information and the code from Epic Games. So I'm just going to open the email and see what the code is. After receiving the code, I will also have to copy the code and then go back to the web browser. So here I've already received an email, and now all I'm going to do is copy the code, go back to the web browser, and under the heading that says security code, all I'm going to do is paste the code. After doing this, tap on confirm delete request. And now I'll also have to give them the reason on why I am deleting my account. So I'm just gonna give a specific reason and then tap on continue. You can also skip this process entirely and wait for the processings to load. And as you do that, you will now get directed towards an interface that will let you know that your account deletion request has already been sent. So now what you have to do is you have to log out of your account and make sure that you don't log into your account until 14 days in order to confirm your deletion. But in case you want to log back in and use Epic Games, you can do it within 14 days time period. So this is basically how you can permanently delete your Fortnite account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to share this video, and also please hit the bell notification so that you get notified each time we upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.